Because let me tell you, it is not personal. I personally here do not personally feel betrayed. I can handle my own problems. I can handle my issues. I don't need anybody's help. I don't. God is there, and God will always save the righteous. I want to categorically state here, when I say betrayal, it is betrayal of many of those who cannot defend themselves. Many of those who lost their lives for a cause that was better than what one is saying today is going to follow. I remember the slogans in 2017, just like you and I. Those slogans, I think you recall, the driver had a particular name, now the conductor had a particular name. To tell us today that that is what you're going to follow is a big betrayal to those who have espoused the ideals which you have said you follow. So you are Judas. Na Hio Azimio ni azimio ya usaliti, si ya umoja. Ni azimio ya usaliti. And we shall see you at the ballot, and you shall know not only the wrath of God, but that of the people of Kenya. Asante.